turn back around. Sonic Wave coming on through. Doesn't quite do enough, but it will do just enough to push them back. And
What the herald was that? What did they just pop 2 ultis and nothing happened? I mean, Ravage was fine. It feels like they were not on the same page that they want to connect. And this is good for OG. Like, this is exactly what I just mentioned. Like, they need to try to pop the Ravage, maybe get something else out of it, and they got 2 biggest ultis.
I mean, they heard you talking, clearly. They were